start again. It's a rich.
How is it going, Samsung users? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, if you own a Samsung Galaxy device, then this video is going to be super useful for you. Today, I will be showing you some very useful hidden features that will definitely make you a pro Samsung user. For that being said, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, the first hidden feature is related to Samsung Gallery. Well, there has been times when it is quite difficult for us to find a particular picture because we all have a lot of unwanted photos saved in our gallery. It is quite difficult to browse through all these images and it takes a lot of time. In situations like this, let me show you a simple trick by using which you can add tags to your photos and then it will be very easy for you to find anything. All you have to do is, you need to select an image for which you want to add tags. Now simply swipe up. Here you will get this option called add tags. Just select it and then it will show you some suggestions. If you want, you can add these tags or you can create your own tags as well. Once you are done adding tags, now whenever you need to search that particular picture, simply tap on the search icon and enter the tag that you have just created. By using this method, you can find pictures much faster and it will save a lot of your time. Guys, I will suggest you to make use of this amazing feature and start adding tags to your favorite photos. Next is how you can activate this really useful feature called Live Transcribe by simply swiping with two fingers from the bottom of your screen. If I swipe up with my two fingers, I get this live transcription which helps me to convert my speech into a text. This is extremely useful when you have to type a long message or email and send it to someone. Instead of typing those long emails, you can simply convert your speech into a text, then copy the entire thing and paste it anywhere you want. Now let me show you how to activate this two finger gestures on your Samsung device. Go to your settings, accessibility, then select this option called hearing enhancement. Here you will find something called as live transcribe. Simply go inside and then enable live transcribe shortcut. Once you are done, now whenever you want to activate live transcription on your phone, you simply need to swipe with two fingers from the home screen. I think it is super useful. Definitely try this one out. Whenever we receive any notifications, we get this little pop-up on our screen. But there has been times when we are doing something and while trying to read or reply to that message, it gets disappear in no time. Now let me show you how you can fix this. Just go to your settings, accessibility, go inside advanced settings. Here you will find something called as time to take action. It will be set to default. You can choose for how long you want the notifications to be appear on your screen. You can extend it to 30 seconds or even 1 or 2 minutes. This way you will have more time to take action when you receive any notifications. With One UI 3.0, Samsung has introduced lock screen widgets which are really useful. To access these widgets, you simply need to tap on the clock and you get all the widgets in the lock screen itself. But did you know you can also access these widgets from your always on display? So if you have already enabled always on display on your Galaxy device, then all you have to do is you just need to double tap on the clock and then swipe down to get access to all your lock screen widgets directly from your always on display. So from here you can control your music, check your clock, weather info, and you can also check all your reminders as well. I think it's a great feature that most of you are not using on your Samsung device. So that's pretty much it guys. These are some amazing features that you should start using on your Galaxy device right now. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.